Oh, I didn't see you there, guys. Check out this week's adventures. Drinking my coffee. We went to a ASU baseball game. My name's Bolt. Okay, we're at a Sun Devils baseball game.
We are?
But it started raining. So we're gonna have to run.
The rare rain delay. I feel like we're saying this a lot in spring training and even now, but hopefully we get a game in today. See what happens. You ready? Let's go. Rain delay, ASU. No superstars here. Even the kids got to earn their stripes. Players pulling the tarp off. Look at that. See if we're playing some ball today, hopefully. Hopefully.
Try not to use their hands. They're throwing.
That's sick.
Look at that guy.
Oh, that was sick. He's a terror.
We didn't catch the ball. He bounced off it.
You do that, Mason?
Leading off for the Sun Devils, center fielder number 18, Johnny Sequel. Batting second, left fielder.
You guys want me to hop in that cart and see what happens? What do you think? What do you think? Oh.
Got you covered, Nate.
Mace.
Hands out, buddy.
Hey. Hey. Thanks.
Thanks, guys. Good luck.
Good luck.
Was that a hard ball?
There's the one I forgot last time. Reggie Jackson.
Right here.
It's gonna say Mason right there.
Or maybe down.
It'll probably be further over here by the time there. But you know what this is, right? What is this? We'll be there.
People that played for the Sun Devils and played in the Major League.
Yep. We said last time this is the wall of Major League Baseball players. Anyone who played at ASU and played in the major leagues is on this wall right here. A lot of names. A lot of names. Time to play some ball. Oh.
Backhand.
They hit it when I'm just gonna go back here. I'm just gonna.
Come on, go get it.
Since the first two innings.
Oh, Brett. Yep.
Okay, now we're on the chase for M&Ms. Now we're on the other side. Oh, yep, they have M&M. Okay, they're peanuts, so not mine.
What do you think about his fastball? Watch him pitch.
Right there,
Ooh.
Oh, that'd be a foul ball, my friend. Go sit down. Come on.
That's impressive. Refraining from language.
Doing great, Darren. Doing great. Keep it up. Keep it up, Darren.
We had a basketball tournament. No, I'm just joking. It was a baseball tournament. Baseball tournament. So we're staying in a hotel for a game because the game's really far away where we live. So we're in a hotel right now, but today's games got rained out. So
We got an early game, so
yes.
no games today, but we're gonna have fun anyway, right?
Tomorrow, yes.
Let's see. So here's our room. Pretty nice. I gotta slow down with my spins.
That's nice.
Pretty nice. Ooh.
Hey, Daddy, you even have your.
Yep. So get good rest here and have a good game tomorrow, right? And get a W, right?
Special.
Mic checker, mic checker, mic checker. You gonna sing it to the mic? Say, I'll be crushing it.
With the cold blue light, and I'll be crushing it.
You trying to leave me?
I did.
What the heck? That's messed up, huh, bro?
Squashed me.
I did.
I'm gonna make sure that makes it in. Everyone saw it. She was pushing the close button.
I wasn't. I was
Trying to leave me.
figure out the open button.
Whatever.
I did.
Was she trying to leave me, bro?
Yes.
It's messed up. Share my one feeling.
Sure.
Dick's Sporting
Do we live at this place?
Thanks again.
I guess.
I'm gonna set up a sleeping bag in here and just
That's what I said.
start spending the night in
I
this
live
joint.
at sporting goods stores.
What's that?
I live at sporting goods stores.
That's worse places to
No, we
live.
don't.
Yeah, we do.
We live at girl stores too.
Girl stores. Ugh.
We go to work. Even at 9, my dad still carried me.
Barely. Yeah, he's really tall.
Oh, crap.
Think we can block James Harden?
Because the rebounding machine. Oh my god, no. Oh gosh, no. Here. I got him. You got Braxton. Oh, crap. Really? Really? Oh.
Yes.
My flip-flops are too slippery.
Shoot the J.
Hit it back. Oh, stop you.
Shoot the J. There it is.
Splash.
There it is.
Whoever takes your bat doesn't know what they're doing. That's cool. I was going to say the same thing.
Good morning.
Morning.
Did you get good rest? You ready to go play some baseball? Sleepy? Did you sleep good? Good luck today, Bubba.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Excited. Breakfast.
Breakfast. It's a little fuzzy.
I never saw breakfast here. I don't know.
You don't believe
They
it?
like pull it out or something. I don't get it.
We'll find out. It might just be cereal.
They don't have lunch or
Smell it. I smell syrup.
Maybe like a waffle. You want a waffle?
I don't know.
Well, the rain has gone away. Single elimination tournament today. It's my best Dr. Seuss. So single elimination. Hopefully we're going to be out here all day for a fun-filled day of winning baseball games out here in Gilbert at Big League Dreams again. How you feeling, stud? You gonna get fired up?
I already am.
You already are? Mommy fired up?
Ready.
That's cool. Big old baseball in the center. Here we go. Baseball time.
1, 2, 3, Pirates!
Good swing.
If I would, I could see what's in my body. I know.
There it is.
That was
We didn't win. Rough day at the office. It's all right, we'll get him next time, right?
Little barbecue chicken sandwich or pulled pork sandwich?
I don't know.
Starving. Everybody's hungry.
Yeah. I got the meats. Put a little barbecue, a little root beer in there, and then we'll put some more ice cream in. All right,
Gotta take some.
Wait.
Okay, oh boy.
Ah!
All right, just let it go. I get some more root beer in there,
Yeah.
just a little bit. Yeah, you want me to do it?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's
Ooh.
steer it.
Steer it?
Yeah. He's trying to hit the bucket. Right here. Fell. I don't want to get hit. I'm trying to pay attention so I don't get hit. That's in! Ah! Oh! He hit it.
Oh, jeez. Nice.
Please be a good spin. Thank you. Got it. Yay!
Bam!
It better fall in.
Let's see it, man.
Big fat head.
Nice. This is what you do when you're a 76er fan. You watch the draft lottery and hope you get the #1 pick when your team stinks.
Don't make playoffs. This is what you want.
So,
And it's 76.
oh, let's see. What are we getting? What are we getting?
The Philadelphia.
Oh!
The second pick will be made by
Bummer.
The Lake.
the
No.
Los Angeles
Oh,
Lakers,
wow.
and that means that the #1 pick in the 2015.
Sorry, it works out better for us. Give me Russell from Ohio State. What?
In case you're wondering, we had a baseball game.
Focus, Dan. Single elimination.
Oh,
Win and keep playing. Lose and go home.
Look at that hat.
I
That
like
hat.
stuff.
Look at that.
No, she's not. She's just saying your hat. You put in work, man.
I know.
That means you worked your booty off. Play, make a play. Hold it.
Run, Mace, run!
One, 2, 3, hey! Come on, go, get the back on. Good eye, buddy.
Good eye, Mason.
All right, Nick.
Let's go, Nick.
Nick, make sure it's there.
Good job, Padres.
Good eye, go, Nick, go.
Come on, bud. Get dirty. Good job, Bevo.
Everybody give a high five.
Good job, Mason.
Go, now, run.
Yeah! Good job, Padres.
There's one. There it is.
Good job, Mason.
Ball, Anthony, I need one, Mason, come on. Mason.
Good job, Mason.
You guys have no reason to cry. You need to walk out here with your head high and smiles on your faces. You guys worked hard, played hard, and I'm proud of every single kid on this team. Every single kid on this team got better from first practice to today. And it's because you guys worked 2 times a week, sometimes for 2 hours. You guys worked your butts off. And I'm keeping this one, thank you. Nah, Mason, good job, buddy.
Good job, Bubba.
Thanks, buddy. Good job, buddy.
Another burrito as big as his head.
Burrito as big as his head. So, last day of school today? And then you had a baseball practice, of course. Now you gonna be able to eat all that burrito?
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment something in the comment section. Don't forget to check the eye in the sky. It's either here or here. I'm pretty sure it's here though. Anyways, don't forget to check out next week's adventures. And by the way, in the eye in the sky, there's more awesome Bevo adventures. Bye-bye.